Atamfo ate shock o. What you say asu adia. Atamfo ate shock o.
Atamfo ate shock Agradaa ene tresa say atamfo ni na omo ate shock je say accommodate him. Yes, waba be show Adom Nhyira na mompeo ne ba no onwuye ana je say waba be keka na adwen e de a kire nkrofo bi na Agradaa ababonte ababe reply Naana Brown ene mankrado na ni na no odi chirim ese omo kire say Adom Nhyira enye ono ana je say wo video no mu na obi foforo ba na Agradaa ede ensem 1 or 2 bi ababetu ja je say yebekọ ni akwakotim saso ana Diamond Appiah enso ababe kire na adwen ede afa Adom Nhyira just Agradaa ebe show na che se o che se wodi ne birthday and as the third birthday no Diamond Appiah so ababe kire na adwen ma che se Diamond Appiah atoto bi pa ye e de akwakoma ne Naana Brown ene ne kru Santiago e de fa Agradaa eba Adom Nhyira ho san so ana commenter che se Santiago e ko make you delay show no so no che se obekaya for the second time Naana Brown esa babontin e be cancel 1 or 2 bi Diamond Appiah ewo another reply so e de mana che se ni na no ye be kom na ya kwakwakwahwe ba mesro say ni di we me subscribe button no we me bro na e won channel like video no so na bibia enye kama pa so abisuan nsem ni na NSM Naana Brown ana che se babontin be kasa ye after say Agradaa be show ni ba say ne ba na nya 3 years odi ni birthday nti odi ne be che Ghana phone na sa Adom Nhyira na omo che se wogu no ohuye na Adom Nhyira no ana che se gina camera mu Naana Brown chema da bi Agradaa twantro se Agradaa timbe kase ne ba Adom Nhyira awo 3 years dia na che se enya Adom Nhyira no ntro trudo ana ocha na Diamond Appiah ababe cancel 1 or 2 bi dia fa sansem no yebekọ na yakokenkan Diamond post bi no be make but answer na be kan sa post no obekai se Naana Brown ne Santiago ko delay show no so Santiago ko cancel bi e de fa Naana Brown ho ana uchi mu se ono de onim ochenasem eba se aware ni begu onde onim ana so betumi gine makopema wi onim eno ana che Agradaa babonte be cancel mi se asem na Santiago kan no eno the bitter truth
Ne wukura kogu wani mu ase e wo delay show ne so Naana Brown all the Santiago dia koyo and nobody should blame Santiago because Santiago was speaking the truth. This is called the bitter truth. But love on the soul. That's it. 2K more love on the soul. That statement now Santiago go make you delay on. And only a friend said the bitter truth. Ya want to create what no. But so me when you now can you free. It's I was saying Naana Brown then ya me say for Santiago to speak the bitter truth. What kind of no? What shall say umpel? And we all know say Santiago umpel Naana Brown. You are forcing to love the guy, but umpel. And it's a fact. I said one woman commando, and it's a fact. Umpel.
Na sansem na okan ye ana che se nam so ema Diamond Appiah so ababonten abibi kisa obetwabo Naana Brown ene ne kru Santiago post we no di kan be make me kenka o say the bitter truth ampa. This is what happens when a desperate wannabe marries a jobless guy who couldn't even afford ordinary credit to call her during the day and only use free night calls to talk to her throughout midnight. Do you think if he had a job back then, he would have been doing midnight calls? Some jobless guy is claiming his wife buying Abidjan creams and Agbogloshi market product to repackage to scam Abrochi for his company. They have exposed themselves big time. And I just Diamond Appiah ebekai obekai say Santiago beka say that time na no Naana Brown starting na a free night call na went on the anajono on that on Naana Brown or make to my free night call from how much 12 no ekopim 5 o'clock anopanom na chese eno anana chese Diamond Appiah gina so or the eka say Santiago nya adwuma koye adwuma nka obefrɛ daytime enye anajo anase midnight call ana obefrɛ na ensem na Santiago kan say oni mo chena sem se ometuma ware akopim awie no ampa say the bitter truth na eno chese Santiago empe Naana Brown abusuan yemfa sa asem we ento Diamond ababe kasa after say Naana Brown ebe kasa edefa Adom Nhyira ho se enye Adom Nhyira no na ne nana Agradaa nana enhe akrana Agradaa ebe show no Diamond nsem obekan no ma yenkenkan kakra o say I told you people that Tucro Santiago and his wannabe wife are nothing but pathetic liars. Is this not Adom Nhyira that they came to lie Agra wanted to kill Junior Capito, so they did directions and her daughter died? No. But we can all see she is alive in Jesus' name and looking all grown and beautiful. As that Toto be cheap as be aka lizard in tears. My God will continue to disgrace and expose you 24/7. So Diamond Appiah as a worker or say Yebeka say maybe Naana Brown betena social media no so ka say Agradaa Pʋŋchɛs kum ne ba junior na kyese omo ya kwankyere na kyese Agradaa ba no efam ewuye na kyese enai Agradaa tumi abesho Adom Nhyira na kyese enukre ba kokora ni asem na Naana Brown ene ni ko Santiago betena social media no so eka ye na abusua Agradaa ewiye no aba be kasa na kyese nya asem keto akora wa to biye pa ede amane Naana Brown na nsema Naana Brown ebeka ya Agradaa jina so ede ababe tutubi ede amane yenti sansem ne kakra.
Say junior di ni birthday 3 years 2 months ago. Now kola no wo 2 years. Tama junior order ye flumu nye. You see and then within the 3 years hey right. So enti area sama. Right. Well, we and family but the intro aspect no. Me pa mo chow. Ana nipa ni bi adwen no ye ye fiom tirim. I don't get it. Na minyim junior wo. Na madam Ewiba no 2 years. Not ho. Ana mo nkai. Ready. I'm oh share. Me wanwa Mohammed me wanwa. Ti na ese ye wo bi a ono ye wo na ninyi na sote. Ninyi na sote because mama made the pizza. Wo de mo hwe ono akola ni pictures. Se mama made the pizza kra no swakakra. Think she was about 4 years. Wo de mo hwe sa pictures na fly on social media no. Na mo de mo hwe sisi asa akra no or be 8 say or 10 or say or 8 9. And na yenim. Na me one say nipa bi to me din tro one like the intro na nipa no o dina wa ye bold and proud no. Then I just sister good sister yanje. Sister winje. Cause to me ye bold enough. E din tro ya say ade onim say me dey aya na me stroke po.
So abusuansem we ana kyese Naana Brown ebeka ya o chima eye Agradaa ne nana na ye abofra na obeshow no ewo eye kamera no mu a kyese obi a chim se anasa Agradaa chim se Adom Nhyira no na enye Adom Nhyira na nka Adom Nhyira nka barista nko benya be 5 years enye 3 years na Agradaa ekeka no Agradaa ba be cheche ne nsem wo kire se mu mpanifo a sebe producer mu turu mu kra mpofu dwene no mu de mu bebda mu mpese mu beka mu yie no anasa mu age na nkasa our social media no so enti denti and also on so ebe exposing about Adom Nhyira age and an real age our social media no so e de kiremo Agradaa to be pa ye e de amane Naana Brown
No bia wo de ba. Yes wawu na wonwu ye. Na wo di the birthday ebisi wanya 5 years, ebisi wanya 4 years, ebisi wanya mese ni amo hwehwe wo beba ne ho no. Ye be mama your frustrations Bola Voneso. It's your birthday gifts. Adom Nhyira is here. My princess Adom Nhyira is here. What I say, and then the day. Say any day, no. And then the day. It's me pacho. Your birthday gifts. Your birthday gifts. Go and call me daddy. So I'm running and find number 2. Your birthday gifts. What I say? Why do you people want to know the age and the years? Why watch me? Rihanna, catch a dance. Oh, mobile man, no. Your name Adom Nhyira be call like. Wait, I will let you go inside there. You see my baby? One more breedy. Rihanna, come. Oko bedi wachi. So oko di wachi opesoko. Fanabra. I would you when you were the birthday of so be the birthday. Or the brick. Mummy and can be a premier new. Also, me didn't say no. No, get any biscuit or could you biscuit a berry. I will see ya. Agradaa Pʋŋchɛs. Rihanna, on the AC. W, see. Wo, I was ya, Manya member, na eshimo. W, na bon person will be whom me bayana. Adom Nhyira is in the building. The also the battle on me coming in tea. A grass code day. Was it a grass code day? I bleed you. W. I don't get it. Young cry any. See a dear birthday, young fire age, ma. Me na me pen and me banny din 3 years. So calculating 5 years afa, a 4 years afa. What would true more food John? Who do birthday crown person over age? Or do you want me to expose my baby's age? And I'll person who Rihanna become sister who begin. You see the good so. Rihanna, come and join your sister. Yeah, let's say I don't know this anymore. Yeah, is she? I don't see level, Miss Adibu. Say something to my fans. They match on my birthday, ran away. Mo also shares your photocopy. Me match on my birthday gift to bra. Also now they are saying it's your granddaughter. Hey, I'm sitting in here. I've heard almost say it's my granddaughter. And you say, I've heard your movie, I am a granddaughter. Nini na ye. When you know, say, take this one. Or when you know, say, that's what Obama wish me bano, happy birthday. Or when you know, say, when you go, also what I will say is, oh, grown, happy birthday. Thank you. When you know, say, Papa mpenimfo, mami mpenimfo, mudi mu birthday. Obi am person ordinary age, ebeto abonten. Obi am person ordinary age, beto abonten. You want me to expose my baby's age to you? I got now a video. And I'm on my now Rihanna kita Adom Nhyira. 2020. And it was here to for woman bachelor. Is she dance? Is she that's my baby, dance to them. Is she dance? Is she Adom Nhyira? 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 Adom Nhyira? Adom Nhyira? That's it. Is she? Oh, bye. The body there, bye. Go musono. Go muso. Is she? Adom Nhyira? Is she? Adom Nhyira? Is she? Is she? Hey, what's up, yeah? Today is the day. Dance. Is she? Dance. Adom Nhyira, ga. Is she? Da. Is she? Stand up. Stand here. And dance. Is she? Is she? Is she? Get. Is she? Dance. Dance to them. Dance. Is she? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ishi. Adom Nhyira. Dance. Gay. Dance to them. Jump to them. Yeah. Jump to them. Dance to them. Dance. Adom Nhyira. You want to sing? Let me put you here so that you sing on the mic. Hey, stand here. Good. Is she? Adom Nhyira. Is she? Look here. Don't look at the mirror. Look here. There's your camera. Is she? Is she? Adom Nhyira. Is she? Adom Nhyira. Is she? Oh, good. Let her sing. Ishi, sing. Rihanna want to spoil your song. Ishi, Adom Nhyira, Ishi la, Ishi la. I don't be playing not you, sorry. Hey, hip. Hule. Wala I want to song, me body be dia saguna. Ishi, Adom Nhyira, Ishi, Kaka. Ishi, Adom Nhyira, Ishi, Adom Nhyira, Ishi la. Ah, I don't be playing Ishi la. Mashi, Ishi, Adom Nhyira. Me body saguso. Ishi, Adom Nhyira, Gaga. Give them freestyle. Freestyle. Ishi. Ah, ishi. Ishi. Agradaa way. Me so you oba chair me. Ishi. Give them macho. Do macho. Yes. If you pray with my Ishi, I will beat you. I'll do this. Give them macho. This is your macho. Do it. Look at them. Do the macho. Ishi, I give them freestyle. Ishi, yes. Talk to them. They are looking at you. Talk to them. Kasi, this is me. Tell them, Ishi, dance. Hey, dance. Ga. So what promoting? I was here. Ishi, you dance. Yeah, you want to sing? Yeah, sing for them. Keep quiet. Run, everybody should keep quiet. Sing to them. Sing. Tell them you are too talented, like your mom, evangelist mama part. Yes, go. You share macho. Yeah. That's my daughter. Tell them something. Do it to them. Yes. Do it. Adom, do it. Yes, do it. No, look here. They are fooling to my Kasmenya Samaye, may ye pray. Stop. Or say moon giant kwasa samaneka. Tell them stop. Or say moon giant. Stop. Be quiet. Stop. Tell them to stop. That's nonsense. Yes. Or else she'll beat you. If you don't stop, she'll beat you. Stop. She's not dead. She's alive. So stop. Stop it. I was here. Mama bye you the baby ando here. Mama bye. God bless you so much. Oh, me bye. You want to say it again? Say stop. Tell them stop that. Baby love. Stop that. Oh, let's beat you. Stop. Amakado, stop. I'm cry the drum and yes, give them the bro. Push. Where baby love there? Famano. Push. Baby love. Cannot cry. Put it in our fauna mano. Push us me ban in the nice to see baby love with the peria. Fauna mano. Push her. Pia. Catch you. What Yaka Kalika will catch you. Pia. Clap for them. Clap for your fans. Clap for Abozige Van Dam.
It's coming.
Yes.
Poor.
And so when you come and crowd so. Do them.
Yes.
Give them popo.
So abusua eno ne yakwakotie ede aba Agradaa akeka na adwen paa yi ede ache eye Naana Brown na chese wacheche na adwen se enya de a obedi omachi na obe expose ne ba no birthday ewo eye social media no so ana se ne real age ewo social media no so na wei mo wate mo shock munko na munko go se monte ase a na yese Agradaa nsema obeka ede afa eye Naana Brown ene chese yamankadum a omo doubt se ya Adom Nhyira no abusua wo so wakonya se obetumi akere wadwen o comment section ho se abofro ya hu no ewo eye school yisu yi oya Adom Nhyira ana se eye Clinton ba ana se wo hwa oye hwan Agradaa akwakwesere obi ba ene ode ne ba be kire se ye ne ba na ni na no obetumi akere wadwen o comment section ha eye inside gh nyakopon hwa afeso onyo kese se ojembe na aka no mesho so be me a subscriber tim no me abona e won channel like video no so na bibia enye kama aha ana me do besi Macron.